list with Lindley Harrison. Oh my goodness.
Michael,
is that a strawberry shortcake hat?
I gotta say something about this little
Yeah, go ahead.
My husband and I used to watch her when she was just a little baby. Oh my goodness, she's so big now.
Is that strawberry shortcake?
I think it's just a chef's hat, but you can.
Just a chef? No, I don't say just a chef's hat.
Maybe she's baking us a strawberry shortcake.
It is marvelous, Lindley. You look absolutely gorgeous. She's a big number 3, and Lindley, I need you to know this comes with love from Nana and Papa in the Berg.
All right, you tell your mama I said hi. Happy birthday, Lindley.
Now, how about this? You got it.
Madison,
I just can't believe she's 20.
Turning 20 this year. Do you feel old, Michael?
I know. People like, Madison, a very happy birthday to you. It's like when I look at the ages and everything and I go, wow, I'm getting old.
Right?
No, happy birthday, Madison. This dude, he's probably not even watching the show because he's going to be busy saving lives right now.
That's right.
Yeah, Kenny Yoakam. Kenny, you know that we absolutely love you and everything that you do here in the 4 states. And by the way, folks, I was dead serious. That was not me being figurative when I say he may be out busy saving lives right now, because that's what Kenny does. A very happy 55th birthday to you.
Give a shout out to our first responders. Happy birthday, Kenny. All right, Nancy Warner, celebrating the big 7-0 this year. It's a pretty pic there of Nancy. Special love come to you from your husband, Bill, 3 children, Michelle, Robert, James, and 4 grandchildren, Miranda, Olivia, Lance, and Braden.
How cool a shot is that right there of Larry Osborne? Larry, a very happy 74th birthday. I love that picture right there. Larry's in Asbury.
All right, and Jackie Binham celebrating a birthday in Joplin this year.
Picturesque.
I don't think that pig was taken in Joplin, though.
That's a picturesque setting as well.
I like
behind her, yeah. That's really cool.
Nice background.
William Kelly, a happy birthday in Miami. And guess what? Miami is also where Debbie Church is celebrating her 67th. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Celebrate your freedom.